friends, this is B and welcome back to my channel. We're going to the city of Seremban to visit a traveler's company partner shop as the stamp caravan for Traveler's Notebook is currently in Malaysia. There are 9 stops for this stamp caravan and it starts from April 26 to June 23. TABIYO is the first stop. Each shop will have the stamp caravan for 3 days except for Smidapaper, which is 2. I'll put the details of the shops in the description box below for more information. I'm also here to collect my Traveler's Notebook Tokyo edition, which is a birthday gift from my husband. I also get to purchase a few goodies so I can get the limited stickers. They also have a cat and the name is Coffee. By the time you see this video, I've already switched the leather cover. I'm saving this as part of my archive, and what you see here is everything I've got from TABIYO. The first item is a mini arrow clear label and it's from Flag. I got this rubber stamp for free through the gachapon, and this is from the brand Favorite. Next is an Imabari handkerchief with the polar bear soda design. Now let's move on to the inserts. I got both the regular and passport size. The short trip refill as well as the craft paper in black, turquoise, and pink are partner shop exclusive items. For passport size, I got 3 refills and a bead sticker from Analog Keeper. Here are the stickers available during the stamp caravan. You can get the sticker by purchasing at least 3 inserts each. For the Tokyo Edition limited items, we have the refill postcard, and the first page says my favorite things. So you've got places, food, and others. And you can remove the postcard by tearing off the perforation. Then we have the Tokyo blank refill. The cover has different icons relating to Tokyo and it's printed with letterpress and foil stamping. The front page is the same as the refill postcard. Next are the brass charms. It features a taiyaki, which is a classic Tokyo snack, as well as a sakura. Then we have the sticker set. The sticker set contains 10 stickers featuring Tokyo-related designs. The other thing that's different with the Tokyo Edition release is that you can purchase all of these items separately, and the only thing that I didn't get from the whole collection is the pencil. Now for the main event. This will be the second time that I've purchased a traveler's notebook from TABIYO. The first one was during the release of Traveler's Diner. For this particular release, this is also the first time that I'll be owning a TN in black color. The foiling is silver, but if you tilt it on different angles, it gives you that holographic effect. As for the texture of the leather, it reminds me of the texture of the camel from Traveler's Diner. The refill that comes with the TN is the same with what I've shown earlier. I've attached the Sakura brass charm to the string off camera, and now I'm attaching the taiyaki charm on the elastic band. In case you missed out on this Tokyo edition release and you're interested, it's best to reach out to your nearest Travelers Company partner shops, as pre-orders are currently happening and the expected release date would be sometime in August to September. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much again for watching. I'll see you on the next one.